Guys, welcome back. I'm opening my newest one. You know what I hate in WWE right now? Jericho and Kevin Owens. With the list of Jericho, I always was a fan of Jericho. Now it's like he just sucks. Because he acts like a 5-year-old. Some people, if you guys like him, I gotta say, okay, just don't hate because I don't like him. This is the first one of this character I got. Well, I got like 5 of the John Cenas early. I'll take out the other character, not John Cena. That's Roman Reigns, and if you didn't see the video that just posted, that's the guy that I just got. I can't remember his name. Boom Bigelow, something like that. Bam Bam Bigelow, look. Stone Cold. What now? And then he comes with, this is another battle pack. Holy crap. Then you got John Cena. And I got one more thing. I got this. What? Which hand does it go in? It doesn't go in that one. Hold on. Ooh, I like the back. That's kind of cool. I'll be back in my next one. Bye.